the biggest challenge in using Scrum for hardware is to find an optimum between making sure that the team has the right competencies on board to work together at the same time at a certain result, versus, on the other hand, focus on just one item, one product. I think these are typically the things that we within our product line are working on to optimize that for our situation. I think the first experiments with Scrum I had in 2013, where we used it as a pilot project to minimize the impact of risks, and we liked very much about Scrum the fact that it energizes the team, and we believe that the engagement of the team is higher with Scrum, and for that reason higher engaged people are less prone to make, less risk materialize. Well, what works for Scrum in our situation is indeed the engagement goes up for those teams that fit the model very well, and we have, for example, design teams, and there it is, I would say, from a distance quite similar to software environment, and there you see that the same things work well. We have a little bit more challenges in the teams where the competencies are more diverse, and we're now working on to make that working as well. In hardware you usually have to deal with a lot of suppliers, and suppliers come with lead times, and that is one of the other factors that you need to find an answer to. Sometimes it can be done very pragmatically, but you need to think about how to deal with that. First of all, you just need to get started. This is not something for textbooks. You need to try it. And I would say, if I may give a second advice, observe and adapt. That is, I think, the pillars for introducing it. And be a little bit patient.